Hey guys, Mike here from Our Tesla Life, and tonight we're doing a navigate on autopilot from the Newport area to the Westminster area. It is dark out and it is raining. Let's see how this goes. And make sure to subscribe and like this video, and if you want to be notified, ring that bell.
In 1,000 feet, take the California 73 North Ramp into the right.
Okay, we're coming up on the 73 North ramp. We're going to be engaging autopilot as soon as we're on the ramp. We have navigate on autopilot engaged. And here we go. And autopilot is engaged. We are navigating on autopilot. It is raining, but it's not terribly hard, so we'll see how that goes. I'm going to wait for it to initiate a lane change here. Oh, it didn't like that. Alright. Initiate a lane change myself. Okay. I'm going to take it off for a second. Move us over a couple of lanes here. Okay. Alright, let's re-engage. Okay, we're back on autopilot. Okay, let's let it do its thing. Change lanes, let's do it. Another lane change. Let it do that again. It wants to route us off the freeway for a bit. We're not going to let it do that though. So we're going to go over back into the faster lane we had before.
In 1 mile, take the California 73 North exit on the left toward Interstate 483.
We'll see how it does through the heavy traffic on the 405, so we're going to avoid getting off here.
Now take the California 73 North exit on the left.
Not take the exit I wanted. Let's see.
In 1,000 feet, take the Harbor
We're not going to do that either. So it should get over this lane change in a minute, and we are going to be in some really bad traffic. So hold your horses.
Now take the Harbor
We're not going to do that. How are we going to test it in heavy traffic if we're not in heavy traffic? Just to see what it does here as it realizes that we did not take its advice. And the confirm lane change went away, and we are off of that. And it's re-engaged. Okay. It's recalculated and wants us to now stay on the 405. So it hasn't suggested any lane changes in a bit, and I'm not too happy about that, so I'm going to initiate a lane change of my own. And I'm taking it out of autopilot's control for a second to make that happen. And then we're going to go back on autopilot now. And let's see if it'll change lanes at this point. guys. Comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see on my channel. It's successfully changed lanes. There we go. And now it's requesting a lane change. I've confirmed the lane change. Then it's initiated and crossed over very nicely. It's quite remarkable how it handles these lane changes in such heavy traffic. Got another one coming up. We are now 2.7 miles from our exit, and it's tracking the cars next to us. Tracking the lane next to us. That gray line in the lane next to us is when it's examining that lane's speed and it's anticipating moving us into that lane. Okay, we are 1.8 miles from our exit. We have an upcoming lane change coming. Traffic is incredibly, well, it's a lot of traffic. It's incredibly heavy. So let's see what happens as we get closer to the exit here. There's one exit before ours, and those folks are merging on right here. It's asked to confirm a lane change. I'm gonna let it pass a little bit, and I'm gonna hit the confirm button, and let's see it does this. Okay, that's not so good. It's slowed down way down. And people are not being very friendly. They are not letting us into the lane. And I was about to crash into that car. Not that these people are being very friendly at all. Let me in. Still trying to get in. Okay, we are in. We're back on Autopilot. And back to speed 2. Okay. It always makes me a little nervous when the road gets wider and it swerves on over a little bit. I always worry there's a car coming from behind. He's not going to notice us. And I know it's not an issue. The car is aware of what's behind us, so we'll see. Alright, Westminster Avenue East is coming up. It's exit 19.4 miles. And we should be exiting in no time at all. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Click that like button and click on the bell if you want to be notified on our next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Okay, here's our exit. It is blinking. It took the exit. Success! We have made it all the way.